My name is Alur Srivardhan. I am from Civil Department. Today topic about is cultivating effective interpersonal communication. Introduction to interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication is the process of exchanging information and feelings between individuals. It is essential for building relationships and for fostering understanding. Effective communication can enhance personal and professional interactions. Importance of effective communication. Effective communication helps in reducing misunderstanding and conflicts. It fosters trust and respect among individuals, which are crucial for healthy relationships. Good communication skills can lead to improved teamwork and collaboration. Active listening involves full concentrating on the speaker and understanding their message. It requires gives feedback and asking clarifying questions to ensure comprehension. Demonstrating empathy during conversation can strengthen the connection with others. Active listening. Non-verbal communication. Non-verbal cues such as facial expressions and body language play a significant role in communication. Maintaining eye contact and open posture can convey interest and engagement. Being aware of one's own non-verbal signals can enhance the effectiveness of the message. Empathy in communication. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. Practicing empathy can help individuals respond more thoughtfully in conversation. Cultivating empathy fosters stronger bonds and mutual respect in relationship. Clarity and consciousness. Clear and conscious communication minimizes the risk of misunderstanding and confusion. It involves using straightforward language and avoiding jargon unless necessary. Being direct while remaining respectful can lead to more productive conversations. Open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage deeper discussions and insights during conversation. They invite others to share their thoughts and feelings more freely. Utilizing open-ended questions can help uncover valuable information and promote engagement. Constructive feedback. Providing constructive feedback is essential for personal and professional growth. It should be specific, focused on behavior and aimed at improvement. Receiving feedback gracefully can also enhance communication and relationships. Culture sensitivity. Understanding culture differences can improve interpersonal communication significantly. Being aware that diverse communication styles and practices fosters inclusivity. Respecting culture backgrounds can enhance relationships and reduce potential conflicts. Continuous improvement. Cultivating effective interpersonal communication is an ongoing process that requires practice. Seeking feedback and reflecting on one's communication style can lead to personal growth. Investing time in improving communication skills can yield significant benefits in all areas of life. Okay, thank you.